This video will go through how to set up polls in Zoom. We will cover how to use them during your meeting, including sharing your results with your participants. Polls can be useful to use as icebreakers in a meeting. For example, it can be used instead of the chat feature to encourage some participation for a set question, like where are you connecting with us from, what are you having for lunch, or what is your current level of experience in this topic. Okay, so if you haven't already, log into your Zoom account and locate the meeting you wish to add the poll to. Click on the meeting link and scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Poll. Click the Add button. Enter the title for this poll. You can have more than one poll per meeting, so name them something relevant to your presentation. If you're in an open learning environment or you're just looking to get consensus information, it is a good idea to check the anonymous box so that no user data is recorded in the poll. Enter your question and select if you'd like to offer your participants a single choice or multiple choice answer. Multiple choice here is multiple selections. Enter the answer options. If you'd like to add more than one question to your poll, continue the process by clicking Add a Question. Once you have finished, click Save. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to the Zoom meeting to see what it looks like from within the meeting. Once you are in your meeting and ready to launch the poll, click on the polls icon in the Zoom action bar at the bottom of the screen. At this point, your participants can't see this screen, so remember to verbally advise your participants on what to expect. Something along the lines of, I'm going to launch a quick poll to get some feedback on what level of experience you have with Zoom. Click on the Launch Polling button. Now here I've split the screen so that you can see what your participants will see versus what you can see. You can see that the participant screen is quite limited and allows them to select an answer and press Submit. On the host screen, you can see how many are in your meeting and the percentage that have answered the poll. You will also see the live updates of people's responses as they answer. Your participants can't see this. When you are ready, click End Polling. Now you'll have the option to share the results. Now your participants can see the poll screen and you can talk to the results. One thing to note, at this point in time, polls do not come up in Zoom recordings. So if you do plan on sharing a recording later, it is important to verbalize the poll results during the meeting so they are discussed for all those that are watching the recording later. When you are ready, you can stop sharing the poll results and move on with the meeting.